Hi, welcome to the Adventurous Beaded Bracelet. This is the bracelet with a loop at one end and a button on a plait at the other, which fastens like that. There's the bracelet. You can vary the thickness of the threads at this side and this side, make the beads smaller, make these edges narrower, make the beads bigger. This is a smaller version of it, and it's simply made by cutting the top and the bottom of the pattern and sticking them together so that you can make smaller pieces. And this is how you would make it smaller for a narrower wrist, or longer if you wanted to make a choker necklace. This has got a loop on the same, but if you wanted to miss the loop and put a wire through, you could obviously make matching earrings, and also you can use them folded in half for a different style earring like that, which is rather attractive. Right, I'll put those out of the way and get started. I've put a pin in, pin B. There will be an instruction sheet for this. Pin B, pin A at the top, pin B there. And I'm hanging two worker pairs around in white, which shows up really well against the white pattern. Sorry about that. But anyway, there they go. There they are. And I've got, introducing a magic thread. This is simply a loop of strong cotton with a knot on one end and obviously a loop on the other. What I'm doing with this is holding it, sliding it underneath both the bobbins, two of the bobbins, and guiding it up to the top. And I'll simply take the two hoops together, the open hoop and the knotted hoop, and just gently put them out of the way. It doesn't go around the pin, it just sits out of the way. It's not part of the bracelet. It'll come in handy in a moment. Right, so this plait wants to go up and round pin A, put pin A in when I know how long it's going to be. And that distance round that will depend on the size of the button that you're going to use, so you'll have to measure that for yourself. So this is, the plait is simply cross, twist, cross, twist, cross, twist, cross, twist. And you can do it on the pillow or in hand, or palm up. I found it's a little bit quieter if I do some of these palm up. Otherwise you're just listening to somebody rattling on a pillow. There we go. Let's see if I've got enough there. Whoops. Put my pin in at the top. Yes, that's absolutely ideal. Okay. Now I want to join this part of the plait to the beginning of the plait, and this is where the magic thread comes in. Taking one worker pair, making it longer. Maybe if I move that up a little bit you can see better. There we go, making it longer. And I will release the magic thread. I'm taking the loopy end, not the knotted end. Be careful which one you do because the knot won't work. Use the loopy end and open it up. Get hold of the threads of the worker pair and get hold of them through the loop, so that when you draw the loop up, I'm going to do this the other way around. I haven't got enough hands. Pull it this way with that loop through. See if I can zoom in a little bit so that you can see better what I'm doing. That's the loop of the magic thread that I'm pulling. This is the loop of the two worker bobbins, the one pair. I pull it, and it just pulls that pair through. I'll smallen it again. Now this is loose, so that's gone. I take the double loop that's just come through, and through that I'm going to feed the other pair of workers. Put them back where they belong. Pull this pair down, which shortens that loop, and you have a plaited loop. There we go. So that's a magic thread and a braided loop. I'll take that pin out and you can see that that's quite secure as a plaited loop. That is the start. That is your magic thread. And I'll add the bobbins on the next video. That's all for now.